Hi, this is ScooterGirl, back again with another scooter video just for you. Today I'm going to show you how you take apart your transportable scooter. This scooter is a Scout 4. It's considered a transportable model, which means that it comes apart into 5 different pieces so that I could put it in the back of my car or my SUV to take it to the mall or the park or wherever I'm going. There are transportable models in every brand line, so whether you have a Pride or a Golden or some other brand, if it's a transportable model, they come apart pretty similarly to how I'm about to show you. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is take the seat off. This seat folds down. That makes it a little bit easier to remove the seat. And then the other thing to know is that the seat won't just lift off. You have to use this lever here. This lever is the seat swivel lever, so you would use it to be able to turn the seat. But to remove the seat, you're going to squeeze it upward and then lift the seat off. So you can see that lever right here. That's the lever you're using to squeeze up to remove the seat. The next thing I'm going to do is remove the battery case. So on this model, we have the battery lockdown bar. This lockdown bar is this lever, this piece here, and it slides down to keep the battery locked in place, so when you're going over bumps, it doesn't lift up and break the connection between the scooter and the battery. So I have to lift that up in order to get the battery out. Okay, and then I'm just going to take the handle of the battery and I'm going to lift it right off the scooter. So the next thing I'll do is I'll take care of this tiller. So you can take the basket off if you need to. You don't have to. It just really depends on your car or whatever vehicle you're transporting this in. It is possible to just tilt the tiller down with the basket still attached. You do need to recognize that if you have things in the basket, they might fall out. So your choice. The way you do this to tilt the steering tiller down is first you have to loosen this tiller lock. This is locked on and it has the 2 parts come together with teeth. Come on over and take a look at that. So you can see here that there's teeth here, and when you open it and close it, it's best that they're aligned. So I just opened this and now I'm just going to tilt the tiller down, and then I'm going to lock it again. You can see the 2 parts slide together and the teeth come together. The other really important thing to pay attention to is at the front of this scooter there is a wheel lock. So when you ride the scooter, the wheels aren't locked, otherwise you wouldn't be able to make turns. But when you are transporting the scooter, you want to make sure that it is locked. Otherwise your wheels turn and the tiller turns and it makes it very awkward. So here on this model, the only thing I need to do is pull this lever out and turn it. And now this tiller doesn't turn. So some people might be able to lift this whole bottom half and put it in their car. I can't do that. And there's lots of people who can't do that. So these rear wheels, this back section comes apart. There's a handle right here, and all you do is lift it up and slide the front part forward, and then you can put it down. So now you have your 4 parts, and it would be 5 if you removed your basket, so that you can lift it up and put it in the back of the car. I hope that helped you to be able to take your scooter apart and take it with you places. This is ScooterGirl. Thanks so much for watching.